Hello everyone, welcome to TechieLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall OBS Studio from your Windows 10 computer. So what you need to do first is go to Start and then click on Settings. From here click on Apps and then scroll down until you find OBS. Here it is. Now click on it, and then here you can see the uninstall option. Now sometimes OBS may not show up here under apps and features, and in that case what you can do is just go to Start and then type in Control Panel and then click on Control Panel and then click on Uninstall a Program and then click on OBS and then click on Uninstall. Now let's go back to apps and features and uninstall OBS from here. So let's click on Uninstall and then click on Uninstall again and then click on Yes. Now from here, if you don't want to keep the user settings, then you need to check this box and then click on Uninstall. And as you can see, the uninstall is complete. So let's just click on Close and we are done. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one.